Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So this video is second part of complete Android Oreo developer series. So make sure to hit bell icon and subscribe the channel so that you don't miss any updates in the future. So today we will talk about how you can edit your app. So now we shall start from text view. So now text view is nothing but this hello world which is written over here is text view. So now I shall talk about its attribute. So now these line which you can see here are constant line which will limit it from the margins of the app. So now this line will limit it from top, this from bottom, this from left and this from right respectively. So now if you want to change this hello world which is written over here, you can write here anything of your own. So yes, as you can see here Android is written over here. So now we shall talk about rest of the attributes which will be used and which are important with respect to today's video. So now this is view. You may change its view. It may align on X axis or on Y. So you can see it is aligned a little bit towards the Y axis and see, yes. So now for the timing I will make it 0. So you may change it from this rotation X, rotation Y, transition Y, and you may change its direction or you may rotate it. And now alpha is the value which range between 0 and 1, by which we can increase and decrease opacity of the text written over here. So now opacity is nothing but the boldness of the app. If it is closer to 1 then it will be more bold, and if it is closer to 0 then it will become light, as I show you now. So as you can see, when the value of alpha is near to 0, hey Android disappear. I will make it 1 for now. Yes, now it is completely visible. So now you may change its size by clicking over here, and so hey Android will align towards the 0th position no matter what the size of the text view is. You may change the text size by here, from here it is 14 sp, we shall make it 30. So sp is scalable pixel, which is unit of text view which is written here. Similarly, such as meter is unit of length. So now you may change text color from here. You have to click here and select color of your own. I will select purple. Okay, so now it has become purple. You can see. You may bold it, and now you may add background color to it. Now background color will be added in the area which is not covered by Android. So in the rest area we will add background color. It's green, and yes, this look good to me. So as the background color is also changed. So now you may add a more text view. You have to click it and drag it here. I will increase its size also. So yes, text view, and so now a new thing which you will see here is ID. So every UI element has its own ID, just like every student has a different roll number in school. So one more important thing is padding. We will add a padding in our Android. Now there it is, padding. We will click it and add 10 sp here. Padding from left it should be 7 sp. If I will increase size, then you will come to know. Padding from left, from top should be 20 sp. So now we will add margin in it. So this is layout margin, and margin from left will be 20 sp, and from top should be 30 sp. So hopefully now you can differentiate between padding and margin. So margin is space which is outside of this text area, and padding is space inside. Now it is showing an error over here because we haven't added any constraint in this. So we have to add it. So you have to click over here plus. So when you will click on the plus, it will add the constraint. It will add constraint value automatically. Otherwise, you can also change it from here. And remember one thing: the constraint unit is dp, not sp. So now what would have happened if we haven't added any constraint in this text view? This text view could have shifted over here because when we don't add a constant, it floats in the 0th position. So now we will run it. As you can see, our app is running perfectly now. It is in the same way as we have created the program. So that is all for today, guys. In next video we will talk about buttons. So stay tuned.